is up, everybody? Chelsea Kush here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an easy instant pot pie, and it's healthy. Usually when people hear the words healthy, they think, oh, it's gross. This soup is super good. We're just dying to have it again. Basically what we're doing is we're making, it's kind of like a chicken pot pie soup, and I'm making some biscuits on the side. So the recipe calls for a substitute for cream and butter. So you're not gonna be using any cream or butter in this recipe, but the flavor is seriously to die for. It's super quick to prepare. You just throw everything in the Instant Pot while you make your cream on the side. If you're looking for a good creamy recipe that's healthy, this is it. I post videos every Monday, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, don't miss my videos. Let's just jump right in to the recipe. Start by chopping 3 stalks of celery and 1 cup of carrots. Dice up 1 cup of onions. Finally, dice 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Chop 1 pound of mini potatoes. You can use any color. Chop 2 to 3 chicken breasts into bite-sized chunks. I use 3 for this recipe. The original recipe only calls for 2. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your Instant Pot and turn it onto saute mode. Then add your veggies minus the garlic. Once your onions are translucent, you can add the garlic. Stir for 30 seconds to a minute. Then add your potatoes and your chicken and stir. Add 2 cups of chicken broth or bouillon, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of sage. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme leaves. Close the lid and set it on pressure cook for high pressure 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of cashews to a high-powered blender. Add the cream from 2 cans of coconut milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Quick release your Instant Pot once it's done and add the cream. And then crack some fresh pepper. Alright, you guys, it's been 10 minutes on the Instant Pot. It's done. Smells delicious. So fast, so easy. I'm just gonna do a taste test for you guys. That is so smooth and creamy and just has the best rich flavor ever. It's like the perfect winter soup. So what I did is, since you need a crust for a pot, like a real pot pie, I just made these little biscuits, and these are lactose free. So the whole meal is lactose free, no dairy. If you want dairy, you can substitute it, and I'll put the link below to the original recipe, and it will give you instructions on Luna. It will give you instructions on how to cook it if you wanted to use dairy. And also there's instructions for slow cooker or on the stove too. Don't be scared if you've never used like a dairy alternative using the cashews and coconut cream. It seems super weird. Like if you've never had it before, like the first time I kind of heard of that, I was like, that sounds nasty. Like that's not gonna be good. But it's super, super good. So don't knock, what's the word? No, knock it until you try it. Don't knock it until you try it. Seriously. My family loves it. Like Jameson doesn't really like soup that much, but he was crushing this soup. So your kids will love it. Since there's no dairy, it's a little bit more healthy for you guys, and it's amazing. So try out this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you think that sounds good, or if you are just like an old school dairy, like no substitutes, because that's cool. Like if that's what you like, then that's all good. You can also substitute using fresh thyme for dried thyme, but it's really, really good with the fresh thyme in it. So it takes a little bit longer because you have to like peel all the leaves off, but if you have thyme and you want the really, really good flavor, then do that. Try out this recipe. Let me know if you like it. If you like videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe, because I post videos every Monday. Foods, desserts, all the goods, you know. I'm gonna go enjoy my bowl of soup, and I will see you guys next Monday with another video.